Hello everybody, this is Oscar Landero Campos and this is my job. 9 most popular diets rated by expert 2017. And then, what are the 9 most popular diets present by the article? Well, and those are the main Atkins diet, vegetarian diet, soy-based diet, the sun diet, vegan diet, raw food diet, ketogenic diet, Weight Watcher diet, and Mediterranean diet. Now, what is the diet according to the article? So, a diet is best described as a fixed plan of eating and drinking where the type and amount of food are planned out in order to achieve weight loss or follow the particular lifestyle. Now I want to mention 2 principal characteristics of each of the 9 diets. Well, let's start. The Atkins diet. Focus on controlling the levels of insulin in the body through a low carbohydrate diet. The second, people on the Atkins diet avoid carbohydrates but can eat as much protein and fat as they like. Now the sun diet. A nutritional balance of 40% carbohydrates, 30% fats, and 30% protein in each meal. Second characteristic it involves reducing carbohydrate intake and up fat intake. Ketogenic diet encourage the consumption of high quality carbohydrates, refined carbohydrate and fat. The second characteristic, the diet causes the breakdown of fat deposits for food and creates substance called ketones through a process called ketosis. Vegetarian diet. They do not eat animal-based foods except for eggs, dairy, and honey. The second characteristic, a vegetarian diet for ethical reasons as well as health. Now the vegan diet. The vegan diet do not usually adopt veganism just for health reasons, but also for environmental, ethical, and compassionate reasons. Vegan diet believe that modern intensive farming methods are bad for our environment and unsustainable in the long term. Weight Watcher diet. The Weight Watcher diet focuses on losing weight through diet, exercise, and support network. He believed that low-fat regimens were not effective over the long term. Now the soy-based diet is focused on the control of insulin levels and the benefit of unrefined slow carbohydrates versus fast carbohydrates. The leaders can join either physical and attend regular meeting or online. In both cases, there is lots of support and education available for the dieter. Now the raw food diet, consuming food and drinks that are not processed, are completely plant-based and ideally organic. A significant number of raw food dishes are also vegans and do not eat or drink anything that is animal-based. Excuse me. Now, the last diet, Mediterranean diet. The emphasis in a lot of plant foods, fresh, fruits and dessert, beans, nuts, whole grains, seeds, olive oil as the main source of dietary fat. Up to 1/3 of the Mediterranean diet consists of fat, with saturated fats not exceeding 8% of calorie intake. Now, what is Western style diet? Well, I think the Soviet diet is the more Paris. In your opinion, which one are the best option to treat a patient? Explain your answer. I'm going to explain my answer. Okay? In my opinion, the best diet to use in a patient who only wants to control their weight is diet zone, because it is the closer in ideal proportion of macronutrients that a person should consume daily. Well, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. See you later.